Hello YouTube, welcome back to Life Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham, wanting to talk about his year this year. And I gotta tell you guys something. Holy cow, this year has gone by so fast, I have to say. We just came from a COVID-19 pandemic, and we are right now going on with this Orion variant, and two of my favorite YouTubers, Kyle Oakley in JoJo's World, is currently in quarantine because those guys got COVID. So luckily JoJo, I got some news about him. He didn't get that very bad of a COVID thing. Luckily. He went to go get tested. His test came back. They said that he's going to be fine. He just needs to quarantine. So since we got that out of the way, now let's talk about some other stuff, which is about the U.S. Naval Academy. The U.S. Naval Academy uses a couple of radio frequencies in the FM range for their fire and their law enforcement. Channel 6 on the FD radios. So they also got a fire main, they also got a fire police operation, a fire channel, marine gates, back channel, and then after that they got some channels for your fire department. They got fire main, fire police secondary, fire secondary, free channel, marine gates, disaster, hospital, Marine Hall, Amber, Ann Arbor County Fire, fire north of the stream, fire talk around. So that's pretty much that place. So looking on down, looking at their system is a Motorola Type 2 Smart Zone system. And channel 1 is Station Alert, which that frequency is 154.010. They also got a patch to the trunk system as needed. That's 154.600. Their police talk around is 854.7375. Their Department of Detention, they got a Juvenile Road Rural Detention Center, which is 851.7625, and that tone is 712 dPL. Now they also got General Island, which is a DMR, their emergency response team. They got Alpha, they got Bravo, they got Charlie, they got Delta operations. Those are all like DMR. Now the Coast Guard, they got Fire. Now if we click on the live casino hotel, they got security, they got surveillance, they got slot 1, slot 2, they got food and beverage, common aim, maintenance, housekeeping, marketing, warehouse, they got Maryland State Lottery Authority, common 1, common 2, valet slots. So pretty much all those are for like their casino. So like if we click on if I give you guys else some news about pretty much lately I've been really healthy lately. I've been taking care of myself. And luckily right now in the news, there hasn't been like that much like interesting stuff. If we click on the Baltimore City, their city public safety uses the Baltimore County system. Now their convention center, you guys can listen to because that's narrow FM for your security. They got business. For all the rest of their convention center, they also got loading dock you guys can listen to. Now if we look at the Coast Guard, they got Sector Baltimore, Marine Channel 81A, 33A is Baltimore Aircraft, Channel 22222, Sector Baltimore Aircraft Helicopter, Aircraft Primary to Card Air to Air. They also got John Hopkins Place. Now, if we click on the businesses, if we look at look at their cruise ships, they got Carnival Pride, they got Carnival Pride Bridge, they got Carnival Pride, which all these are mobile. There's a thing called the S, and there's a thing called the M. The S frequency, the E frequencies mean encrypted. So luckily I don't see any encrypted on here. What I see there is a lot of different stuff on here. Now Now, just to let you guys know that you guys can find a whole lot of radio stuff on this radioreference.com. Now, a couple of other places just to keep in mind if you guys are wanting to travel, like number one, Bermuda. Bermuda doesn't even have like a radio reference. They got public safety, they got air traffic control, they got aviation, and they also got their international airport you guys can listen to. And number four, the fourth thing that I recommend you guys listen to, if you guys go over to the Bahamas, you guys can listen to like the internet, like the marine information there, because in Jamaica you guys can listen to their defense force, you guys can listen to their firefighters in Montego Bay. So there's like a couple of islands you guys can listen to. Like over there in the Cayman Islands, you guys can listen to their Motorola Type 2 SmartNet system. You guys can also give a glance at their radio reference and try to see what looks good there. Up there in Canada, you guys can listen to their Bell FleetNet. Ontario Providence Government, but you guys can listen to OPP. You guys can listen to like different radio stuff from there. So there's like a couple things you guys can listen to. But I just want you guys to be aware that there might be stuff that we can listen to, and there might be stuff that people don't want us to listen to because they're part of a different country. Now, down there in Britain, all their frequencies are like DMR for hospitals, but you guys can listen to their buses. I will make another video about that in my next series. All right, guys, goodbye. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys listen around. If you guys are back to work, make sure you guys be safe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.